Hi friends, if you are in plan of making a modern blog or magazine website, I have a great choice for you. I have Glekk WordPress theme in this video, which is really a very wonderful theme having modern and stunning look, and in fact I have not seen such advanced and modern look blog theme. However, I used to explore themes throughout the day, and this is being the 25th or 26th video on this channel for the blog theme and blog or magazine category theme. So I am happy to record this video. It is a good theme, and this has been brought on this channel. And if we talk about the demo website, so this is one of the demo of Glekk WordPress theme, and this is another demo website. It is having a peculiar and standalone look, and it presents the content very carefully and aesthetically. So it has a black background, gives some impression that which is not so common, and this is being the third one, and all the website having a very stunning and to the point look, and there are many choices available for you. So I'm going to give you the link of these demo in the description of this video, and you can also get this theme following the link given in the description of this video, and that is available with the hosting plan, and you can get the theme separately as well. So this theme is actually new, and it was developed in July 20 only, and some updates also has been done for this theme, and you can create your powerful blog magazine website easy with WordPress and Glekk theme. So it uses Elementor as page builder, and all the modern features are available. And in this video we are going to install the Glekk Elementor blog magazine WordPress theme. Along with the demo content, we will also preview the theme options, and you have a reason to watch this video until end, as you never know the theme features available and the theme which you are going to decide for your blog or magazine website. So stay tuned and watch this video until end. And if you are new on this channel, you may please subscribe this channel, as I am always coming with new WordPress themes and features and utilities for you. So that is good, and we will install the Glekk, and I have the theme pack as well. So in the theme pack I have demo content and licensing templates and the glekk.zip, which is the theme file, and the Glekk WordPress theme has been developed by the JK Dev Studio, and they are good developers, of course. And okay, so let us start the installation. For that we have to go in the theme section of WordPress and click on add new, upload theme, choose file, and here you need to choose the glekk.zip file. And if you are having direct access on your server, you can upload the same file directly in WP content themes folder. I am doing the same. It will save some time, and I'll be able to show you the theme file size as well. And it is being uploaded now, and the theme file size is just 6.44 MB. It is a well optimized theme, of course, and it is having light weight in itself, and it is going to work fast on the website, and this is going to give an extra edge from your competitors. So you are going to get a fast loading website with the Glekk Elementor WordPress theme, and it is good that you will get a fast loading and a stunning theme, and let it be completed. Upload process, we have to wait, and both activities of uploading the theme are same, don't get confused. So either you can upload the theme using the WordPress interface or directly on your server, so you have to do only one. So I have chosen the second option, you may choose the first as well. And once the progress bar turns green with 100% here, and I am waiting for green. Okay, so it is green now. We can go back and extract the uploaded file, and the extraction outcome is this Glekk folder in which we got all the theme components. And now we can delete the zip one, it is just consuming the server space, and we have already extracted. Okay, so we have now all the theme components here in this folder, and we are fine to go in the theme section of WordPress again. And now we have Glekk as another theme option. Let us check the details. This is Glekk version 1.2, and Glekk is a clean, powerful and responsive blog magazine WordPress theme that is ready and waiting to be transformed into your personal site. Okay, fine. So we can activate it now, and upon activation we got an alert that this theme needs certain plugins, and at this stage we are going to install the plugins. So these 4 plugins, ACF Pro, Elementor, Glekk Core and one-click demo importer is required, rest are recommended. But what I am doing, I am choosing to install all the plugins as I need to showcase all the features. I am installing all the plugins in one go, and if you are not confident about your server capacity, just install the plugins one by one to avoid any installation errors. And now the plugins has been installed, and we are going back to the plugin installer, and I am going to activate all the plugins in one go. And now all the plugins has been installed and the theme itself is there. So now we can take a look of our website, how it looks with the theme and the plugins. Okay, so this is the basic look of Glekk WordPress theme, and it is of course without any demo content, and we should have a target website like any of these. So at this stage we are going to install the demo content, and for this we need to find the demo importer option, and somehow I return this page. I just need to delete this section, and I am coming back to the dashboard first. And yes, so I am looking for the demo importer, and the import demo data is available under appearance section. So I am just clicking on that, and okay, so import demo is here, and images of demo websites is not here somehow, so images are broken. I don't know why it is so. I am choosing the home one and clicking on import demo, and it is showing that we can have some more plugins, but I am skipping this, it is not required, and the demo import has begun. And okay, so it returned an error as well. And okay, so what is error? Occurred fetching file again, so it is not getting connect from the developer server in fact. So I'll try it again, and okay, so it is having some error, but we have option to have the demo import like homepage 1 is in XML format is available. So what we can do, we can use the WordPress importer for this, and under tools it should be option. So WordPress importer is here. I am installing the WordPress importer and run importer. Okay, just a moment. So one click demo importer, I'm just clicking on the, and one click demo importer is also here. Okay, so it is on the same page. So if we are using the WordPress importer, so one click demo importer should be deactivated first, I must tell you. So one click demo imports should be deactivated so that they both may not get conflict. And now I'm going back to the import option and run importer of WordPress, and I'll choose the XML file, the home one XML, and I'll upload it. And it may take some time because it gets connected to developer server, and I believe it should not return an error. Let us see what happens. And I never hide anything during my installation process. This is the beauty of this channel. So what I am facing, you may also face, and this is what is the main objective of making videos on themes, that what features and what steps are required on any theme, and this is being the purpose of this channel. Okay, and we need to assign the users for importing the data, and don't forget to download and import file attachments, clicking on this and hit on submit. So it may take some time, don't refresh or leave this page. And yes, all is failed. Okay, what happened? All is failed, all is failed, all is failed, and all done. Have fun. What is this? And now I'm just refreshing this page, so nothing came in the demo import, in fact. And yes, so website is here. It is strange. Okay, so I don't know why the message was there, but we got the website, and of course that is a amazing thing. And the website is here, the blog website is here, and in the blog website everything comes from the post itself, so no need to set the home page and all. So everything is set here, and as soon as you start putting your content, your site will be ready. And now I'll show you the theme options, what we got in the theme options. Okay, so these are the settings available. So first of all, logo is here, logo types and add logo is here, so you can use this. Typography, color you can set, preloader, Google API, archive, single, header and footer. So these are the settings, and I believe it is fine for a blog website. And we have completed the installation process of Glekk WordPress theme, and if you need this theme, you can get it by following the link given in this video. And okay, fine, so I'm coming with another theme in the next video. Just stay tuned. Thanks for watching.